Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how you can create NFTs with Canva. Like, you don't need to be a pro graphic designer in order to create beautiful NFTs. You just need to be creative and smart in coming up with NFTs ideas that you can work on. So the first thing you need to do when you want to create an NFT is to choose the sizing of the NFT. But before we go into that, if you are new to my channel, kindly do well to hit the subscribe button. And also, if you are just watching my video for the first time and you are not yet in my Telegram community, do well to check out the link via the description below so that you can join that group. I share lots of educative contents on that Telegram channel too. So I hope to see you in there. So back to what we have for today. Like I said, when you want to create a design for your NFT, the first thing you need to consider is size. So we are going to be using the Instagram framework here. So you click on create a design, then you choose Instagram post as your size, which is 1080 pixel. So this is it. You can add, let me use 2 pages for this my NFT designs. So when you must have added your pages, the next thing you need to do is to come to photos. Come to photos, type in background. You can type in just backgrounds here. But then I'm going to be using the backgrounds that I already have. So the first thing I need to do is to click on this particular image that I already have and drag and drop um my background inside the size, so you can see, sorry, so you can see, okay. So when you must have put in the background that you want, the next thing you need to do is to come to elements and type in a keyword that you feel like you want to create an NFT on. But then you can go ahead, make your own research, get an image that you can use for your own NFT, then come to Canva and do the editing. I'm also going to show you how you can edit images on Canva, right? So remember, like I said, after putting your background, the next thing you need to do is to come here and search a keyword that you like. So in this situation, I'm going to be using panda. So you click on panda, hit your search bar, and you'll see a lot of images. You see a whole lot of images on these here. You see a whole lot of images here. If you have questions, kindly do well to ask it via the comment section. Like this video and comment on it so that the YouTube algorithm will help push this video far. If I get up to 1,000 views on this video, I'm going to also record a video showing you how you can sell your NFTs. So hit the comment section, tell me how you feel about this video. Are you learning something or am I wasting your time? Hello. Okay, so like I said, I just typed in panda in the comments in the search bar, and I'm faced with a whole lot of designs that I can edit and work with. So this is one of the panda images. I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it bigger and start working on it. I can give it a preferred color. So let me say I give it red. My background is already black, so it's not supposed to be black again. So this color here, sorry, I'm going to change this color to, let's say, blue. Yeah, so then I give this one here yellow. Yeah, then I'm going to give this one Okay, so we have a very good design to some extent here, right? So the next thing you need to do is to start adding some creative designs to it. So let's say you add sunglass, still on the elements as bar, sunglass. So you select one of the sunglasses that you can see here, just depending on what you want to add to your own design. You can also give the sunglass a color that you like. You can give it to fit into what you already have for it, or just give it a color that stands out. You can even make it black here, so you fit your sunglass to your panda. So just make it to fit in. Take your time. I'm not going to show you how to run the finishing touching. By now you should have at least known how to use Canva, right? So I'm just going to show you how you can get these things done. Then you can take your time to do the finishing. So this is it. You can add more elements. You can even remove this sunglass. Take your time to scroll through the elements button. You can check for cap. Check for cap. Let's see. You know, depending on the type of image that you have, depending on the type of cartoon you have, just make it look beautiful and creative. Make it look beautiful and creative for somebody to actually spend his or her money to purchase it. It should be something that is really, worth the money, right? So take your time and get something that people would love. So you can see I'm still trying to make this beautiful. This is now looking like, okay, this image can't really be edited. Okay, so let me maybe look for another color. Okay, let me see how this will look on it. Flip to the right. Sorry. So no, this doesn't make sense. I'm going to use this cap, but in your own case, you can either choose to import a cap or okay. I can edit the color of this particular cap, so I think this will be better. Just that this my panda has two long ears. But you can look for something better and more beautiful. So actually, okay, we should get another panda image. So I believe you have got an idea of what I'm trying to show you right now, right? Okay, so let's just say we want to work on this creative animal. Don't really know what to call this. So you can, okay, this image can't really be edited. I mean the colors, but in a situation like this, if you want to work on an image like this to really get the beauty, you can just delete this. Oh, sorry. You can just remove this background image and give it a plain color. Let's just say no. Okay, let's leave it at this. Then you come here, you click on edit image. You click on edit image. You can see if giving it a shadow will make sense. Just play with the designs that Canva have for you here. You can choose this depending on you. Just play with the designs. Let me take it back. Okay, so let's go to this thing tone. Now this is what I use sometimes to make the initial image to be different, because if you should use it exactly the same way it is here, then there's a possibility that you might be using the same NFT with other people, and you know you are selling this. Somebody wouldn't want to buy something that every other person is selling the same design, so you need to make your own a bit unique. You can play with the edit image feature on Canva. They have a lot of features here that will wow some of your designs. So let's choose this to see how it's going to be like. Remember, I'm just playing around some of the designs to just show you the things you can achieve by using some Canva design templates. See this. See what we finally got there. Okay. If you take your time, these black surfaces are supposed to actually disappear. But let's go back and okay, so this is our image. We'll click on it again and continue with the edit image till we get something that will really make sense. But what I use most times is this due tone. I click on it, click on see all, then choose different designs. Choose different designs. If you leave it after some time, this yellow background will actually still disappear, so just take time for it to effect the changes. Okay, so you click on edit image again, you come back to ding tone and you select any okay, you click on it. Okay, so you can see, let's change the background of this image to see that this is not actually having any other background color apart from the one we gave it. So you can see it now. Even if somebody is using the other image, you can see that your own is now standing out. You are no longer copying exactly what Canva gave to you, right? You can delete this image and use a different stuff all over. Canva has a lot of creative tools you can use. You can even download some of these things online and come to Canva and work on it, then turn it into a very fine, beautiful NFT that you can list and make money from on some NFT marketplaces, which I'm going to make video on once this video hits 1k views. Once this video hits 1k views, so you can see you can give it a better background color, edit it to your taste, and add some features to it. You can add a sunglass to it, you can add anything at all to it, cap, just make it to stand out, make it look crazy. People buy a lot of crazy stuff in millions of dollars in the name of NFTs, and these are people who just come. I believe you have seen a design like this in some of the NFTs. So you can see there is no special thing they are doing. You just have to be creative, do something crazy. Okay, let's use this thing for this particular side. I think it will make more sense. Let's use this here. Just that this my panda, the eye is too big. I don't even understand. Okay, so you can see, let's remove this cap. This cap doesn't really fit this my baby, so you can fit it in to match whatever you are doing. You can get a better image on Canva that you can use. So let's go back to my panda search to see other designs that they have here. So you can see this. Okay, this has only 2 colors. These two, there are a whole lot of them here. You can choose, add now, edit. I think I love this. Oh, it has just one color. So bad. So not really enable us, but you can still use this, just that you add some features to it to really make it to be beautiful. You know, okay, I used a picture of one, okay, this animal here. Most times the people who buy some of these NFTs are Americans or these white people, you know, and you know, some of them buy crazy things in the name of NFTs, and that is because they have a lot of money. They just want to have some creative arts in their house. And you might even be surprised that a picture of a cat that has fine design can sell. Just do one or two crazy things on it, list it on some NFT marketing, NFT listing platforms, and before you know what is happening, you're already, you know, getting auctions, bidding for your NFT listing, and you'll be surprised, you know. So just take your time and make your research. Think of something. So imagine now that you want to create a design on Panda, and Panda is not on Canva. What you just need to do is to come to Google and type Panda. You know, you get some of these images from Canva, from Google. You can see all these images that are on a Canva. We are even gotten from Google here. So take your time, download a very fine picture, and go to remove.bg. For those of them that have white background and you don't need a white background, you need to give your own image its own special background color. You go to remove.bg. Okay, let's say let me go back. Let's say that I want to use this particular panda right now. We're downloading. So I don't know if it's for download because I'm downloading this image from. Okay, so you go to remove.bg. Remember, this has white background and we don't need it. I'm going to show you the difference when I go back to Canva. You upload the image that you just downloaded. So this is it. You click on download. Then you go back to your Canva design. You drag and drop the images on Canva. Just in this. So you can see this is the first one and this is the second panda. Seems like remove.bg didn't really, okay, they did a good work, just that they removed the white on the body of the panda. But this might not be the case in some other images that you want to download. You can see they worked on the body of the panda, which is not supposed to be. But let's say that you download the image of, okay, let's say you download this particular image that has a different color. This panda is different. The color of the panda is different from the background color, so it's not really going to affect the body of this one if you should work on it like that. So get your image, change the background of your design on Canva to something very beautiful and creative, and do your thing. Do the finishing touches. And if you don't know how to use Canva, go on Google, search for how to use Canva both on mobile, on Android, and you are good with your whole design. You can publish on some NFT listing platforms and you make your money listing NFTs for sale. People are making lots of money listing their NFTs for sale, so you can look into this line of business if it's what you are interested in. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, do well to ask via the comment section, and also like this video if you learned something from it, so that YouTube will help these videos rank more. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to join the Telegram group and also hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you. Bye.